Hi, welcome back to my garage. I'm Dave, and big show. Anyway, I had a few people say, what is the thing? Well, it's a Sebring 5000 MX. I think the Saxon was the one you see with the flares. So anyway, the company was out of Fargo, North Dakota. It's long since been out of business, but I think somebody in the UK is making the Saxon now. So anyway, I'll see if I can get in touch with them for some parts I'm going to need. Mainly sway bars, but I heard that the Fox Body Mustang fits their chassis here, their frame, so we'll see that. And then I don't know how many of you people go to the auto parts store and they ask all these stupid questions. So anyway, I've been going online, auto parts store, and front disc brake rebuild kit here in 3 days. No stupid questions. Got that. And then for the rear drums, I was going to get a rebuild kit for that, but you buy all brand new cylinders for just a couple of bucks more. So I opt with those, and I'll be putting those on today. Oh yeah, and then I was told every time I say you have to take a drink. So it's going to be a good drinking game. So anyway, I'm going to start taking off the wheels. They're knockoffs. So I'll take those off and get started on it. Okay, got that off. I'll pull the caliper out of there. These are quite rusty, so I'm going to clean those up when I get that off. So I'll get that going. Okay, I got this one rebuilt. These things are really simple. Just this square seal that goes down inside and the dust, and that's it. But man, they're a pain to get back in there. So anyway, I'm going to put it back on. I've got the rotors cleaned. I got the rotors pretty clean. So I'll get that back in there and go from there. Anyway, that's all for today. This is installment number 2. So anyway, like I said, next time I'll get the gas tanks cleaned out, filters, purge the lines, gotta let gas out of there, and spin it over. I'm not ready to fire it yet, but get that done until I can finish the wiring. So anyway, stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thanks.